January 13th, 2026. I'm in Norwich, Connecticut, and I am currently parked at the Norwich Worship Center, but I'm walking towards Lawler Lane, and I'm just going to cover this bridge that was recently completely rehabilitated from top to bottom that goes over Interstate 395 north and south. This crew that worked on this did it for several months, and you can see directly in front of us that it is completed. Everything is new. New guardrails right there. New fencing right over there. Everything's brand new, top to bottom. There's been a lot of bridge restoration lately in especially the Norwich area, 395 north and south. There's a look. It's kind of noisy around here. I'll try to fix the audio to get rid of some of that noise, but that's 395 north. Here's the new sidewalk. I'm going to try to get this camera as close as I can without obstructions from that fencing. Decent amount of traffic on 395 as always. I mean, brand spanking new. See that? Fence post that is mounted, and that looks like silicone or silicone gel around it to probably stop the corrosion or maybe from water getting under there. It really doesn't matter because a lot of that is I mean, it's all galvanized, so I don't think you have to worry about rust or anything like that. Again, this is Lawler Lane. Brand new guardrails right there. A very important project. Let's point down to 395 from this angle. All these I-beams going into the ground, supporting the guardrails. All right, let's cross. This is all brand new pavement. I mean, this project took, I don't know how long it took, several months, I'll just guess. Same thing on this side, guardrails, brand new, everything similar on this side to the other. Here's a look at 395. And there's actually some snow and ice left on the ground there. So I got to step lightly over here. All right, let's get some more. I can get this get over here a little bit to line up with the center. It's pretty wild standing up here. Big 18-wheelers and stuff going right under your feet, basically. But it's definitely noisy. I'm going to have to use some kind of noise reduction tactics to make this thing so my voice can be heard. They graded the side of the road all around the bridge. All right, I'll do a pan. Let's get some more cars. 395 south, and the cars south and north. I mean, it's a two-way street down there. And we'll sweep over slowly, looking at this project that has been finalized. Absolutely beautiful job. Let me walk down a little bit more. I'll get a wider shot, and then we'll shut this video down. Whoa, almost slipped in the mud. It's definitely muddy around here. Okay, now, I guess what happened was I'm on the other side of the fence. I'm just going to take a clean shot of 395 with this camera. Hopefully I don't go sliding down the hill in the mud. I got to be super cautious right here. All right. This is as good as I can get it right here. They planted grass. Some grass is actually coming up. So there's a clean shot. Let me get a shot of the side of this thing. Let's go above and beyond. So there's the bridge. You can see that beam. That gigantic I-beam underneath the bridge. Restored fully. There's one last look at it. Maybe I can take a walk on the other side and do something similar. There's a heavily wooded area to my left. Again, I am being very cautious as I take every step because of this mud, the melted snow. As we look into the wooded area, if I can get up to the main part of the street here without slipping, then we're all set. Whoa, a little tricky. So, all right, we'll walk right across. Another super muddy area. I got to navigate my way down. It's on a slope, so that makes life tough for walking around. See, I just slipped again. I don't know if you can. This camera has incredible image stabilization, so it might not show up, but I definitely slipped. Boy, that would be a drag. Slipping in the mud. All right, I'm going to try to get another shot of the side over here. Different angle. The lighting is better on the other side, obviously, but I'm here. Let's cover this thing. Whew. Man, oh man, this is brutal. This mud is worse on this side than the other side. All right, so let's... This is as far as I'm going, right here. One last look at the bridge. On the bottom right of the screen, there's a sign that says Lawler Lane. Thanks for joining me, folks.